I hope the dominoes don't start falling in the morning because of ice, but it is a possibility, Robert. There's no question about the temperature this time. You know, the last storm we had 9 days ago with the icing, we were 40, 41 degrees at 10 o'clock. Tonight, look at these readings, 23 already out in the hill country at Mason, 24 in San Saba, already below freezing through the metro area and headed that way in our eastern counties. And it feels colder. If you're out there in the wind chill factors are in the teens now in many locations in the hill country, even at the airport. Feels like 18 degrees right now. Winter storm headed at us out of southern New Mexico at this hour. It's snowing in Amarillo. It's only 4 degrees there. The dew point is -1. This storm system is bringing its own moisture with it, which is why we're going to have to include a chance of some rain in the morning, freezing rain, maybe some snow, maybe some sleet, because this low is going to track right toward us, pieces of it breaking off and headed right over central Texas. And then right behind that one, another one moving into California right now is going to follow right behind it Friday morning. The next 2 mornings, we're going to have a threat of a little bit of ice. I want to take you right now to our high-resolution future weather model, simulated clouds and radar. Let's put it into motion, and by morning, we're showing down here in Fayette County, the blue is snow, the pink is freezing rain or sleet, but we're not showing anything elsewhere. However, drizzle is not always picked up and indicated by the models, and so even if we have some drizzle falling, or if this area of precipitation is actually depicted by the models 45 miles too far to the east, that could be in Austin, so we have to be prepared for that tomorrow morning. Anything that falls from the clouds will likely freeze because it's going to be so cold in the morning. Okay, we dry out tomorrow afternoon. Now we're fast forwarding to, look at your timeline, Friday morning rush hour, and look at the additional pink depicted in the area from the hill country to our eastern counties. As we go forward in time up to the noon hour, we're still showing that pink. That's the wintry mix, freezing rain, sleet, maybe even a little bit of snow in that. And then as we go into the afternoon, it's still showing up there. So let's head on back to another computer model, nothing on the radar at this hour. This model we call the RPM model. It's showing between the hours of 7 o'clock and noon tomorrow morning. Doesn't go all the way to Friday morning yet. Tomorrow morning, it's showing some snowfall in the western part of the Austin metro area back out into the hill country. Very little, if any, accumulation, but some snow falling from the clouds and making it all the way down to the ground. So we're thinking this. Temperatures in the morning will be in the 20s. There's no doubt about that. Anything that falls, freezing drizzle, sleet, or snow, and gets out on the roads could create some patchy ice, especially on those elevated bridges and overpasses and flyovers, of which we have many, of course, around the Austin metro area. Okay, these are the forecast lows tonight. Everyone will be cold enough that we could see that ice form, especially in the hill country. Low 20s. I think we're going to see some upper teens even in the hill country in the morning, and then tomorrow's going to be a cold day. We're not going to warm out of the 30s. Outside tonight in Austin, skies have already gone overcast, 32 in the city. It's 31 degrees at the airport with low dew points, so we have a ways to go tonight. North winds putting that wind chill in the air. It feels closer to 20 degrees. Pollen count today, mold medium and cedar medium. Look at this cold air here in early February, -15 in Billings. It feels like -32. In Denver, the wind chill is -23. In Amarillo, it's 4. In Lubbock right now, it's 11. Skies cloudy by morning. That wintry mix is going to be a possibility. No significant accumulation, but it doesn't take much to put a glaze of ice on the roads. Tomorrow afternoon, dry, 38 degrees though. Repeat Friday morning. In fact, I think there's a slightly better chance of some icing Friday morning than tomorrow morning. And then look at Saturday. We shoot to 60 degrees again. Then we got another cold front, but this one looks liquid with the rain behind it Monday and Tuesday. KXAN News Today will start 30 minutes early in the morning to keep you apprised of this developing winter storm.